Have you ever paused to wonder how artificial intelligence could revolutionize disaster management? The potential is immense. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of disaster response. To paint a picture, think about the vast improvements in speed, accuracy, and risk reduction. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Now consider the additional benefits when AI is paired with drone technology. Let's delve into how AI, when paired with drones, can drastically improve post-disaster damage assessment. To appreciate this technological synergy, we first need to understand what AI and drones are. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a complex field of computer science that empowers machines to mimic human intelligence. The heart of AI lies in its ability to learn from experiences, adapt to new inputs, and make decisions based on its learning. Imagine a computer program that can recognize patterns, solve problems, and even predict future scenarios. That's AI for you. Now, let's talk about drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, are essentially flying robots. They can fly autonomously or be remotely controlled. The true power of drones lies in their mobility and versatility. They can reach places humans can't, and they can do so quickly and efficiently. From delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, drones are revolutionizing countless industries. But what happens when we combine AI and drones? Well, we get smart, autonomous drones. These drones can navigate themselves, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions based on their environment. Here's where it gets exciting for disaster management. With AI, drones can be programmed to recognize different types of damage, making them invaluable tools for assessing disaster zones. They can rapidly scan large areas, identify damaged structures, and even predict potential risks. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI and drones, let's explore how they work together for damage assessment.